Hi everyone, I have another Gina K box here, an unboxing to do, and I don't know what's in it because I ordered a few things, so let's just find out together. It's taped really well. If this is the Autumn Splendor Kit, it might be, I don't know. Let me open it up. And the other time I ordered wasn't my fault because a stamp set came in that I've been waiting for. I was on the wait list for it. So it's not my fault because I had to get it, right? Because somebody else might get it and I've been waiting months for it. So second order was not my fault. What is this? Is this the Autumn Splendor Kit? It's got to be. Yes, it is. Okay. I think this is a great kit and I'm going to show you everything in it. Okay. All right. Oh my goodness. Let's get in focus. Okay. So, this is what you get in the Autumn Splendor Kit. You get a die set right here. I'm sorry, a stamp set. It doesn't come with dies. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. This particular set, she didn't do dies. She felt it would be good with more embossing and stuff like that. You get 6x6 pattern paper. You get, she has 6 new inks, the lilacs and the orchid, so she gives you all 6 in cubes. You get a thanks die with a shadow die with it. You get this layering stamp. It's a 4-piece layering stamp. I don't like it. So when I hit 400 subs, I need 19 left, people. Let's try to get it to 400. When I hit 400, I'm doing another giveaway, and this will be included with the giveaway. I don't like it. It's just, I don't, it's a nice flower. It's not appealing. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a video on how to use it, how to layer it. They're really easy. I'll show you how to do it. She has a certain way to put them on top of each other so you see, so you know what to do. Now, this is what sold me on this kit. It comes with this ephemera and this die plate. So you put it through the machine and it cuts everything out at once. Now, when she has kits and the kits sell out for the month, the next month comes, she'll sell the paper pack separately. She'll sell the stamps separately. She'll sell the ephemera separately. The inks, the dye. You'll be able to buy all this separately, so you're not forced to get it in the whole kit. But I'm going to tell you something. This kit was $59.95, and I think it was a great deal. This is what sold me right here. She's going to have, now I'm going to show you these ephemera pieces. They're so nice. They're just colored so nice. Without the kit, if you go in the website now and let's say you just want to order this, great. The die doesn't come with it. That's what sold me, that die. Can you imagine cutting all those out at once? That is awesome. That sold me. And I kept thinking about it because I'm like, well, I didn't really like this stamp set too much. I probably like these two and that's about it. But it does have a nice sentiment and it does have nice sentiments, but I wasn't crazy about these or these. So I was like, but I liked everything else. And so I was thinking about it. And I think like 2 or 3 weeks later, I'm like, let me just get it. And I was lucky because there was some left. And thank God I did, because when I found out that these are in her shop now without this, oh, I would have been so mad. So you know what? It was worth it to me. It was worth it. Enough with my rambling. Let's just go on and I will show you everything. So it comes obviously with this set. Okay. I really do like these leaves a lot. It's heartfelt for being there, to you, blessings a million. So you can do like thanks a million, thanks to you, thanks for being there, thanks for all you do, many thanks. You could, For sets of like that, you can put a lot of things with it, sentiments with it together. So it comes with that. Here is the thanks die and the shadow die with it. All right, here is the ephemera pieces. Look how beautiful those are. You get 112 pieces, all right? And she's going to be having this. So when you run out, if you want more, you can buy more, you know, and still you just use your plate. Now, the way it matches up is it's got these dots, and you just line the dots. Where is it? It goes like this. You line the dots on these dots here, like this, right? Line them up together. I would tape it and then run it through your machine. So it does a perfect cut. So that's how you know they're lined up, when you line up the dots. I was sold on that. Just sold. And it will fit through as long as you have a 6-inch machine. It will fit through, and you can kind of put it in like this. Sold on that. I absolutely loved it. This is the 4-piece layering stamp. Again, I don't want it, but I'll show you how to use it. Here are the inks, the cube inks. They also have them in full size, so check those out too. And here's the pattern paper, which I'll show you. A lot of pretty images in here. I just love these. Look at these pumpkins and gourds. Like, they're just colored so nicely. This will make some really nice cards. Here's the sweater pattern. You get that pattern. It's thick too. And it just repeats the same ones over. It's a nice thick cardstock too. It's kind of shiny material. You get 3 each. 8 patterns, 3 each. So that is the Autumn Splendor Kit. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting. And I'll catch you next time. Bye.